Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself and look at me, look at me. You made me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Aight, so what are we getting into today? You can probably hear outside, we got a bunch of commotion going on. You guys remember PG&E tore up my driveway when they were upgrading the gas lines and all that? So I guess they're here to fix it. We're gonna see if the stamped concrete that they got matches up later when they're all done. But right now we're getting ready to head out. We're about to be going to D's, about to be taking the turbo coupe over there. The last time it was there, they fixed all the wiring and stuff on the headlight harness for me. So today I'm about to be going over there, gonna chill with my guys for a little bit. And we also have a tune locked in to get the turbo coupe turned up. So yeah, that is something I can't wait for. I'm interested in seeing how much turbo coupe makes right now. And then I wanna have my new tuner. So after that, I wanna have my new tuner, the same dude who did the swing thing. So he's D's tuner. That's how I met him. We'll talk once we get him out of here. And when I get back, I need to clean up my garage. Today's the day I clean this garage up. So sheesh. So yeah, they got hella shit to do. We're about to be getting up out of here. Yeah, like I was saying, is we're gonna be having Geith retune the turbo coupe. Geith is the same person that did the swing thing and did a phenomenal job on there. So I want to have him retune this car. We'll see what this thing makes, and then we'll have him turn it up at the same boost level to see how much more power he makes. And then we're also going to be installing a boost controller and turning this thing up to see how much we can get out of it. Can't wait to see how much we can get out this thing. This car's going to be nasty. Man, I still got my helmet and everything in here from the drift event. I haven't drove this car since I got it back from D's. It's been sitting in the driveway. I need to clean out my garage so I can throw this thing back in there. And some of y'all were asking about the headlight. Don't worry, that's been sitting at D's. I just left it over there since we're gonna be doing all the lights and stuff. I told them I'd come back and deal with that later. This is my first time driving on these new tires, and I must say I actually like the way these Kendas feel. I think this is the biggest tire that I can physically fit on here, and they actually are working out pretty well. This thing seems to have more grip than it normally has. I can kind of brake boost second and it not spin before I would have to brake boost third. So I'm interested in seeing how these are gonna hold up, especially once we add power. I wanna say right now it's probably about 4 something. I'm not really sure, but I would have to assume the way it feels, probably 4s. The goal is definitely to get out of the 4s. We'll see what this turbo can do. I've been thinking about upgrading this, so we'll tune in, see what it does, and then maybe we'll make some revisions because I do want to turn this thing up a good amount. Hi, so we just getting here to the Fox Body King's headquarters himself, the Fox King, D's garage. Oh yeah, one more thing that I want to do too before I get this thing tuned is I want to order a air intake temp sensor. I would like to relocate it and move it. Currently on there it reads manifold air temp, but manifold air temp, air intake temp, same shit. But right now it is on the intake manifold and pretty sure it's getting heat soaked. So what I want to do is I actually want to move that thing probably somewhere over here. Only thing is I'm not sure how much wiring I have, so to try to make it reach way over here, probably ain't gonna happen. So I might have to make this into a solid elbow to be able to get that on there. But usually when you driving or cruising, air intake temps are saying like 110. The moment the throttle body closes, it goes up to like 150, 160, where I know that's not accurate. It's pretty much just getting heat soaked. So I'm pretty sure if it was over here in this area, air intake temps will be a lot cooler. It'll probably read kind of like around ambient temps, because the moment you get on this thing, air intake temps drop like crazy. So, I mean, it's probably not affecting anything, but I would just like for it to have a more accurate reading during cruising. But who knows, maybe when it's cruising, it taking the time in because it's thinking it's hotter than what it is, helps with gas mileage or some shit, I don't know. Tink Tink!
Wrong Tink Tink, bro.
Man, Tink Tink ain't here?
No.
Man, who this nigga think he is? He didn't hire help and just ain't gotta come to the shop?
Yeah. With a full body massage or gynecologist.
Gynecologist, gotta get that coochie checked.
Yeah.
Man, what you over here messing up, man?
No, I'm about to pull this. I'm glad you pulled up.
Oh, you trying to make me help you pull it? Jeez. You know what I'm saying? I charge like $300 a minute.
Okay. We'll put that on your check.
Look, we got the worker here. I ain't gotta get dirty now. You about to help him pull his engine out, blood.
Oh, I thought you was helping.
I mean, I was until you pulled up.
Oh, bro, that's the heck.
He was just telling me a story about how he had to pull your motor out while you was in Vegas. So, you know what I'm saying?
I put my motor in.
Now it's time to repay that debt.
No, you ready? You sure you ready? Oh, let me look at this real quick. Hold on. Let me get my flashlight going.
Easy, grasshopper.
Man, he disconnect the motor mounts and everything, man. Them bolts off.
Okay.
EGR all disconnected, all that.
Okay, we got smoke still hooked up. You alright?
Where's Spot hooked up at?
It ain't hooked up.
Come on, bro.
We got been in here drinking and working and working and drinking.
Yeah, you see,
This thing always busting a lot.
Don't do that. I don't want to have to fix it.
We know he gonna tear it up.
Wow.
It's gonna be in. Soon as, look, I still got scratches from when you crashed into me.
Yeah, I know you're a chase car. You fucking hit me.
You spun out. You spun out.
I don't have angle kit like all you guys, okay?
Man, I need to redo this molding, bruh.
Fucking your car's still in my flashlight.
Look how quiet that thing is. You know what I'm saying? Cut out closed. Are you opening? It's on the side, right? It's under there. Yeah, go to the left. Hold the button to the left, sir. There you go. Ah, my damn diffuser came off again. Jesus. This thing just does not want to stay up. Bruh. Can we get 2 nuts and bolts?
Where?
For this diffuser, it came loose again. It just did this.
Bro, that thing's always loose.
I know. Let's nut and bolt it.
No, I got the solution for it. Don't even trip.
A nut and bolt is the solution.
Yeah, nut and bolt, but a certain type of nut and bolt.
Nylon.
Exactly.
I know.
You gotta stay away from that. You gotta stay away from those normal nuts. You like that, huh?
Yeah, bulbs in the car. So off cam, what y'all didn't see is they went and redid all the headlight harnesses. We got new sockets on this thing. So before I couldn't draw this thing at night, boy. When the street lights had to come on, I had to be home. But sockets all replaced. So I went and got some new LED bulbs. So now if we wanted to, we could drive this thing at night. Can't drive it in the rain still, but we could drive it at night. What you think? You like these ones better or the bronze ones?
I don't know. These give me Saline vibes, so you know I fuck with Saline. So it's like.
I feel like this is like that classic clean Fox look 5-spoke.
Like stockish.
Yeah.
Like it just added stock. The bronze ones are like, okay, it goes good with the paint, but this gives it more like original. Like.
I know it's hard. It's hard to.
That thing's clean.
It's hard to pick.
Yeah.
And I like the silver on green contrast.
Yeah, you know what you do? You just keep all the sets.
I mean, I did. I still got
You
them.
just start swapping them around. You know what I'm saying? We can trade wheels once in a while.
You can't fit 18s.
Who?
You.
What do you think's on there right now?
You ain't got 285s on there though.
Oh.
Bro, the offset's different. Bet. How much you want to bet right now? If we pull my rear wheels off and they fit, I'll give you $100.
I had the Rovos on my shit. 18
I don't
by
care.
10.5 with 285, same shit.
Offset is what matters. It's not about that
It's
offset.
still stock body. Mine's a stock body too.
My shit's rolled and pulled.
Like a big body.
Bro, these are rolled and pulled. Feel in here. These are pulled. Feel that.
Yeah,
Feel the rear, boy. You know what I'm saying? That's pulled. Yeah, you ain't pulled like that. You ain't pulled like that.
You know why? 'Cause I got like an extra half-inch drop in the back. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you ain't pulled like that. Oh, go ahead, hit him. Ooh.
That's for all you future technicians, you know? Just because the part comes, make sure you...
Oh no! Go back. No, turn it back up. These motherfuckers gave me switchbacks. I did not want switchbacks.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
Why? Those are cool.
Nah, cause I wanted to look.
Because these are orange right now, huh?
Yes, I wanted to look like a fox. Man, come on, bruh. They're all the same.
No, these are all yellow. Yeah, these are switchbacks for sure. That's why they got the white and the orange.
I played myself. Maybe we can hook them up backwards until where they start flickering.
Let's turn around.
Let's flip them and see if it stays orange and then flickers the other way. I think polarity works that way. I want it to stay orange. If it flickers white, I'm cool with that.
Get this plumber crack on again. Nope.
Flicker it? Ah, nah, it don't matter. Damn! Man, I played myself.
Well,
I might have to swap these onto the swing thing later.
why the other one's clear on the swing sim too?
Yeah, they're clear. Whatever.
Well, when you order them, next time you know you gotta do the wee-woo.
That's what happens when you read the description.
You just start ordering shit.
I don't want no switchbacks.
Switchbacks are cool.
I want it to look. I want it to. You know how when you see those, you see that the white center and the orange on the outside. You be like, is that the police? Look like old school Crown Vic behind you.
I was gonna say that's a Crown Vic, a Fox body, or some bull rolling up on me right now.
That's what we want, bruh. After an hour trying to get the bolts in this freaking corner light, this man then dropped the bulb inside of there, bruh.
Try.
How you gonna get it to turn sideways though? Look, she's trying to.
Look, I can fit my fingers in there if you just. God.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Man, what's your boy over here listening to?
That's America.
This is like I just got broke up. It's playing some cinematic slow motion. Hey! What is you listening to? You emotional ass. Tell me what you really be listening to in that pickup truck. So we got him doing a tricep workout right here. So we just found possibly a little boost leak that was for surely gonna be occurring. So you can see down in there. Well, y'all can't really see it, but clamp slid past the coupler. You can barely see. There we go. Let me zoom it. Ah, you can't see in there. There we go. Y'all can kind of see it. Oh, you see them dog tags though? Look at them dog tags. CHP, baby.
What you say, 4-cylinder?
No, nah, this real CHP right here. You know what I'm saying? This is a real John.
4-banger swap.
All right, we all done up here. Boost leak situated. Now the last thing is this sloppy ass diffuser. Nice little 10 mil with a nylon. We good.
You gotta get to it first.
And while you under there, you think
Hey, yeah, why you under there? Can you change the diff? I got some new axles on the way.
18, 19, half inch this, half inch that.
Bro, it'd be hella fast. It ain't even gonna take that long. It's an easy job. That's like customers always. It's hella quick, bro. Should take you like 15 minutes. I did. It is. No more saggy ass diffuser. That thing ain't never coming back off. Ooh, that Fitment though.
Tires are pretty chunky.
285s.
But you know how some tires run bigger?
Yeah.
That's like running bigger.
Yeah, this is a bigger size of 285s. Probably closer to like a 295. All right, last thing. Thought the last thing was the last thing, but this is the last thing. We're gonna ceramic coat these windows. I can drive in the rain. Cause yeah, you know what I'm saying, we ain't got no Schweibers down here. My nigga went from Bay Area hyphy music to country music real quick.
Yeah. Watch reggae come out next, and then two corridos, you know what I mean?
He gon' take that hose clamp off and see what kind of goo. Oh, we got these lifters and valve springs. God damn it, that's the thing. Oh, this nigga. At least tell me, man. Could've went in my eye. Could've went in my eye.
We got a squirter.
Where you want me to hold it at?
Right there, just standing up.
Man, you showed us the distance you need, man. Let me pull it back a little more. Getting me right so I can see at night.
You're all the way at 16. Look, now you're at 18, 19. You want to achieve a 20.
All right, we looking A1. Look like we got a good beam pattern. Could actually hit the wall. Yeah, I think this is, yeah, we good. Minus it having these ugly ass corner lights, bro. No. So I do have, I do have the other bulbs on the way. It has to look like a fox. So look, sick ass Camry now.
Sick ass Camry.
This don't look like the police behind you. You know, on the freeway, you see a fox at night, you be like, that might be the boys. Let me get over.
No, you just need to put the highways where it'll be a roast cop car again with the flashing lights and shit. Hey, bro, you ordered them. I did.
This happened when you don't read the description. I said, Amber? Okay.
Amber, that's what I want.
That's it right there.
Yeah, that's what he wanted. All right.
Well, fuck, come $100, you could just get
Yeah, but I think you need a car wash.
Yeah, this thing dirty.
Pressure wash and shit right there, bro.
See if the ceramic coating's good. Oh, so yeah. I can hit the freeway. I can drive in the rain.
The faster you go, the faster it dries.
Finally! Boy, that has been a pet peeve like crazy. Migs and lined the trunk up for me. Now this thing ain't perfecto. Alright, what's good, my peeps? We are just getting back to the house. Got the turbo coupe here. Everything's looking all good. Looks like they got the concrete all matched up kind of good. It's not too bad. I didn't think they were gonna be able to match it, but we'll see how the rain clears this stuff off. But definitely glad they came here and fixed this. Need to fix my gate and shit, but at least this ain't all haggard no more. All right, next on my list is I want to get my freaking garage all situated. My garage has been looking crazy like the last month. Parts, wheels everywhere, so let's get this cleaned up. That way we can put the turbo coupe back in the garage. Ooh, hi, look at him. Garage all cleaned out. Just got done cleaning underneath the Viper. Got this thing sitting here idling.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's better.